Hello friends, welcome you all to RT's Passion. In today's video we will see how to make pumpkin or Kadhu ki sabji. In Tamil it's called Pusanikai poriyal. Let's see how to make the recipe. I've taken here 500 grams of pumpkin, fairly big pieces. I love pumpkin for their vibrant color and its natural sweetness. Plus they are high in fiber content, makes it healthy to eat. Then I have 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, jeera, 2 green chillies, 1 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon turmeric powder. 1.5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut. If you have fresh coconut, you can grate them and use. So I'm taking the pumpkin and cut them into medium sized pieces. Then I can peel off the skin easily. The major task in this recipe is to peel off the skin and cut the pumpkin into small cubes. If you want to save time, you can buy those pre-cut pumpkin packets available in the market. I'm done with peeling off the skin. I'm now cutting them into small cubes. Now we will take these chopped pumpkins and add water and wash them very well and keep it aside. In a non-stick pan, heat 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil, add cumin seeds and slit green chillies, followed by the washed pumpkin pieces. And we are gonna cook them. I'm adding salt and turmeric powder. Mix them all together and we will close the lid and cook this for 10 minutes until they turn soft. The pumpkins get cooked very easily. This is after 10 minutes. To check if they are done, try breaking 1 or 2 pieces of pumpkin with the spoon. If they break easily, then you know they are cooked. Otherwise, you can cook them for a few more minutes. Now to the cooked pumpkins, I'm adding the desiccated coconut. If you have fresh grated coconut, you can add them now. And mix this all together with the pumpkin. And we are going to cook this for another 5 minutes. The coconut oil and coconut brings a very nice aroma to this recipe. This is also one of those mild and pleasant dishes without too many spice powders or so. That is why I've added only 2 green chillies, so it won't make the dish very hot. So this is after 5 minutes. The pumpkins and coconut are all mixed together and now they are ready to eat. I'm transferring them to a serving bowl. This tastes great with rotis, rice or even on its own if you want to be free from carbs. Keep watching my channel for more interesting vegetarian recipes.